Good morning. So you're thinking about moving to Flagstaff, Arizona. My name's Tammy and my channel is called Flagstaff, Arizona Living, and I take you around all the different neighborhoods. We've probably got 50 to 75 neighborhoods in Flagstaff. It's small town living, but I love to show you what we have to offer as far as housing goes. I also like to spotlight all of our local businesses. The Flagstaff General Store has all these adorable locally made earrings and signs for your home, or blankets, or refurbished furniture. We have lots of wonderful restaurants that I like to highlight. So you'll find all of that here on my channel. Like and subscribe and tap the bell for notifications. And today we are going to be exploring Doney Park, D-O-N-E-Y. And as you can see, Doney Park is kind of out in the middle of nowhere. It feels like the middle of nowhere. Those are our mountains right there, so you're right at the base of the mountains. I just stopped off at this local park right here to get things started. I've actually not been to this park. It's kind of on the opposite side of town from where I live, but it's a very popular place to be. There's an elementary school just right down the road. We have lots of sporting events that are going to happen here in this location, and you're really close to Highway 89. That'll take you all the way north to Utah, and then you're only maybe 2 miles from our mall, and this is considered the east side of town. So let's go and look at some houses. All right, this home behind me is $895,000. It's 5-bed, 2-bath, 2,200 square feet. It's got this really cute color to it. I'm just gonna walk right up because it doesn't seem like anybody is here. There's a nice 2-car garage. As you can see, the neighbors have an RV or motorhome or fifth wheel. I don't know the difference between all of them, but there's plenty of space here to park whatever you want. And that's one of the things that people love about Doney Park. So I think this could be a great addition for your family. All right, we're continuing on in Doney Park. This home right here is $669, 3-bed, 2-bath, 1,900 square feet. It has this cute little red garage. It's got a beautiful yard. This road right here can get a little bit busy, but you're definitely out in the country. You've got some dirt roads here, and you're pretty much surrounded by all of these little mountains. These are more hills. We don't really consider those our mountains, but over here we do. And let me kind of walk out this way with you. So this road right here has an elementary school on it. It'll take you all the way out to 89, and then it's just 2 miles into the east part of town. Our east side of town has the mall. All right, so this next home in Doney Park is $689. It's 3-bed, 2-bath, 2,500 square feet. Again, you're on a paved road, so I don't understand how they choose if it's paved or gravel. It just kind of seems like every other road. Well, I guess that's not true. Most of them are paved, but there's definitely a whole bunch of gravel roads as well, or dirt roads. This one would be easy to get in and out of if there's snow, and you're really close. You're only a couple blocks from the elementary school. Here is the area. The mountains are back in there and over there as well behind those trees. So this would be actually a really nice price for Flagstaff right now. A lot of the middle income, of course, with prices everywhere, are just kind of getting pushed out. So I feel like this would be a really nice way to get started, maybe. I don't even know, because I thought that 300 was a starter home, but now it seems like it's 600. So I don't make up the rules, guys. I'm just showing you around because I think it's a wonderful place to live. Thank you so much for joining me today in Doney Park. And if you guys have any questions, please like and subscribe. You can email, text me, set up a Zoom call. I'd love to show you around Flagstaff. Today we spent time on the east side of town, and there's always these great mountain views. Sometimes we do have forest fires, so that's something to be aware of. A lot of our mountains right now have kind of taken a big hit, but it's always, you know, an education thing that we're working on, and it's just part of living in the mountains. Thanks so much. You guys have a great day. Bye.